Today, we want to consider Olympiad exponential equation. This is one of the examples. So, if you are given something like this and you're asked to find the value of x, how will you be able to do this? So, watch to the end because you'll be very amazed at the answer that we're going to have at the end of the video. If I write mine as 3 squared, 10 power x minus x squared written as x to the power 4, if I write it as x squared, then squared equals to 65. Then I can see that 3, I will take this x inside, then take the 2 outside. If I write that way, if we check closely, we can see that this is differences of 2 squares. So if you apply that, we will have this as 3x plus x squared as the first bracket. The second bracket, we have it as 3x minus x squared. And we are told that they are equal to 65. So, but we can write 65 as 13 times 5 times 5. Check closely. If I need to clean this place so that we can compare coefficients, we have this as this plus x squared, the first bracket. Second one is this minus x squared. We are told that it's equal to 13 times 5. Now, if we match the coefficients, this will go with the bigger one. This will go with this because this bracket is bigger than this one. So we compare the coefficient that way. So if that happens, I clean this place. We will have this as 3x, the bigger one, to be equal to 13, and that is equation 1. Then the smaller one, smaller bracket, which is 3x minus x squared to be equal to 5, equation 2. This we can solve this simultaneously, equation 1 and 2. Even if you want to add, you still have an answer. On the subtract, you still have an answer. So let's see if when I add, if you add x squared plus minus x squared, this will go. That will be 0. So here we will have 3x plus 3 to the power x. What did this answer? This is common, so we factorize it to be 1 plus 1. That will give us 2.3x, and it's equal to 13 plus 5. You know I'm adding, so that will be 18. I'm looking for this alone. So what if I divide through by 2, so that 3 over x will stand alone? Then this is this. You can write 9 as 3 squared. Comparing coefficient of the base, x equals to 2. The 2 by addition. Then what if we choose to subtract? If you choose to subtract, we will still have 2, but let's see how that one will look like. If you subtract, this will go. What would this? X squared minus because x squared minus this one is this one, then minus this equals to 13 minus 5, that is 8. That is 8. So minus and plus, or minus and minus is plus, x squared plus x squared equals to 8. So x squared plus x squared is what? That will be 2x squared. Let's see. We still factorize. 1 plus 1 equals to 8. So that will be 2 dot x squared equals to 8 divided by 2. So that will give us x squared equals to 4. Here, therefore, x equals to plus or minus square root of 4, which is plus or minus 2. So whichever way, by subtraction we still have 2, by addition we have 2 as well. Getting the value of x to be equal to 2. Now let's check if actually x is equal to 2 from here. Now when you find x, replace it with 2. So 9 raised to the power 2 minus x is 2 raised to the power 4. Let's see, 9 squared is 81. Then 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. Of course, it's 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8, 2, 16. Now, 81 minus 16 equals to 65. So, actually, our x was equal to 65. Now, if you're preparing for NEET exams, JEE, and Olympiad examinations like this, I have a playlist that contains so many of the past questions solved for your success. Subscribe to the channel, share the video for your friends to see. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.